Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free. 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit me up in the comments. Let's get right into today's video, which is closing out our October 1st paycheck, our paycheck number 1 of October. And because our paycheck number 2 of October is scheduled to come tomorrow or Friday. So let's just get right into it. This is the paycheck we are working on clearing. So let's go right into our major keys account over here. And it says we have $35.52 left. Let's see all the transactions that have gone through. So I see that Navy Federal took its dollar. Did I move anything? Okay. So Navy Federal dollar came through the bank. If you're new here, I make everything green that has cleared the bank. If it's not green, the goal of closing out my check is to clear everything to green, knowing that everything that was scheduled for that check has been paid. So that's green. And then we have 7067, which was our student loan payment. And there that is. That can also be green. I don't know why this doesn't just stay green. Yes, stay green. And then Nissan, the half the car payment, $233.50, will also be green. Why? I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. And then $171.80 we paid with the credit card. That was our car insurance bill. And then $141 was our electric bill that was paid on the credit card. Then I see $43.08, which was our water. And then I also see, that's not the right green. And then I also see the cell phone, which just came out of the credit card and I paid it today, $25. So we can also make that green. Now I'm going to go ahead and say here, as you can see in our rollover balance, we have $35.52, which is exactly what we show here. However, what's not showing is today I went in and put some money toward my niece's college fund that my sister set up. So I actually paid $25 to that. So in order to get to a zero-based budget, I'm going to roll over $25 into this next budget for next check, just so that I know it gets paid. And I'm going to put that $25 here in other. I'm going to put $25 and then I'm going to leave myself a note that says Raiden, that's my niece's name, Raiden's college fund. And that's went to that. It's not technically green yet. So, let me see what the best way to do that would be. Okay, let's take the balance out of here. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it there, even though it hasn't cleared yet. Or maybe, I guess what I should do is make this 0 and then put her fund here, because it'll clear once we see it the next time, then we can clear it the next time. I don't want to write that comment again, but I will. And actually for next year would like to save like $5 or $1 or $2 toward her college fund money. Just now that I have like a link for it, I can just deposit whenever I feel like it. And I would love to do that. And of course, now she's got a new little sister. So when hers comes up, I want to be able, as the auntie, to do that for her. Raiden's college fund. And I also have to start saving for, get a gift for my other niece who decided she was going to go into school. So she's going to like Albany State or something. So I need to buy her something as well. Just trying to delete this note out, you guys. All right. So what I did was I moved the rollover money over here. Then I put this here so that we're still at a zero-based budget on our second check. But it shows that we have $35.25 when we really do not, because we sent, I'm going to put $35.25 here. And then in this note, I will write a note that says sent to rollover. And what we actually have left is $10.52. just so we don't go overspending money we don't have. So to close this out, $10.52 is going to go to, let me think about it, you guys. Let me think about it. So initially, my first thought was put it towards the iPad that we're now paying off. But I remembered that this $50.76 here is for a beauty purchase on this card to Ulta. And it needs to be paid right here, right? And so in beauty, there is not $50. And I thought beauty had $40 when I made this purchase, which I needed to make anyway. It was my moisturizer. It wasn't anything like rando that I didn't need. Did I pass beauty? Did y'all see it? Beauty, where are you? Beauty's only skin deep. Right there. So it only has $10, okay? But the good thing is it's supposed to be getting another $30 the next check. Right here. Or not. Where's beauty? Right here. Supposed to get $30 this next check. Plus there's $10. So now if I move this $10.32 over into it, then it'll have enough to pay the bill. So let's go ahead and transfer that. And as you can see, there's nothing due. Like nothing is due on this card. So whenever it gets there, it'll get there. It'll be absolutely fine. But let's think ahead. So transfer over any day now to our Beauty is Only Skin Deep. We're going to transfer over $10.52. And that's beauty. Thinking fund. Transfer. Success. Perfect. So then it has $25 still sitting in there, which is what we need. I think that because I did the only way to pay was through a routing number and a bank account. So the operating account, it's going to take probably 2 to 3 business days to clear. So hopefully that'll clear by Monday. But yeah, that's where we're at. So now I'm going to put that $10.52 went into beauty. And now we're back to a zero-based budget. Oh, this $25 was moved. So I'm just going to make that green as well. And this $10.52 was also moved. So we'll make that green. And then everything else on this budget is green that was supposed to be paid. Therefore, we are at a zero-based budget. We've paid everything that we're supposed to pay. And the bank has $25, which is the $25 that'll roll over into next check. That will pay for my niece's college money. So you guys, we did it. We did it. We're done closing out the paycheck. That's all we have for today's video. Let me know how our October is going. Are you on budget? Have you been saving? What unexpected expenses have come up for you, if any, this month so far? And how are you planning to pay for them? Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, yet to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but forever. Also, guys, look out for a community post because I'll be putting up a community post. I want your opinion on a few things. And just look out for the community post. I want you to be completely honest. So I'm going to ask you to answer in my IG so that your information is anonymous unless you want somebody to see your response. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Love you, mean it. Bye.